I've been using Manjish Glow Elixir since March 9th of this year. When I began using it, the skin here above my eyes was dry, red, scaly, and I had tried for months to fix it, and nothing worked. My eyes were puffy above and below, and I had dry, scaly annular cheilitis cracking at the side of my lips. I bought this hoping I could get help, and Manjish Glow Elixir has created and kept my skin glowing, healthy, moisturized. The dry scaliness above my eyes was gone in less than a month. The annular cheilitis has not returned. My skin feels soft and it glows. And I am so grateful to the Ayurveda experience for creating this natural product. If you're looking for something to make your skin glow, feel soft, feel healthy, you want Manjish Glow Elixir. And my name is Skywalker Payne. I wasn't paid to make this statement, and this is coming from my true experience. And I have no makeup on my face except for a little lip gloss, and I am 67 years old. So if you want your skin to glow and look youthful, this is a product that's worth the investment. Just 3 drops a night, every night, and you'll be amazed.